It's so much better when we do it together. Let's clean the shower. First things first, I empty that shower out. And I have hard water here. It really leaves so much residue. It's just ridiculous. So make sure you cleaning your showers out as regularly as possible. I know it's not always easy to do it every single day, but you want to do it someday. You don't want to get too much build up. I go right in with my vinegar, water, and Dawn dishwashing liquid solution, and I spray everything down from the walls to the floor, the glass, everything, and I let it sit for a little while. So let's get into this. So now I'm just gonna wipe it down with a dry microfiber to get everything nice and dry. And what I like about using the Dawn dishwashing liquid is that it makes everything so shiny, so shiny. it works for me. Definitely